but the dry form of oxygen with a barrier, and the lack of oxygen will cause us to become unconscious. No? And to the extent maybe death. No? And what about itong boil off? Boil off. It is there before produced about the cardiovascular sector is due to the operation caused by the head flow through the cardio tank inspection. Okay, boil off, no? Most common is from the before the smoke. Pero ang tawag dyan sa barko, boil off. No? Because this is due to the head that is running through the insulation of the tank. Makita ninyo dito sa page 1. These are the typical section of the liquefied gas tanker. Mabasa ninyo mayroong insulation. Alam ka na ng insulation? Kung baka smart insulator, yung balot ng kuwinte, yung insulator yun? Yeah. Now, remember that our cargo is not a form of gas. And it is very difficult to transport gases. That is why, supposing our cargo is LNG, this is in a form of gas, but as I said, it is very difficult to transport gas. Bakit man? Kasi ang gas hindi na sumalaman kung singaw. May gabong lang na mga utak ng tangke, sisingaw yung gas, hindi na sumalaman. So, it is very difficult to transport gas. What the company did, or the cheaper did, is to convert gas into liquid. Kaya, ang gas now is called, if it is a natural gas, it is called liquefied natural gas. Ibig sabihin, gas converted to liquid. How? Ano? Reduce the pressure. Ginawasan nila yung, the temperature. Pinalamin nila ng pinalamin until the gas turns to liquid.